Hi everyone, I just wanted to pop in real quick to kind of just bounce off of what I talked about on my personal page yesterday about how money is important to me, because this morning I was going through my Instagram feed and I follow a slew of doTERRA users and mamas out there that love the product and share, and one lady talked about the OnGuard cleaner concentrate, and she broke it down that one bottle of this could make 16 bottles of this. This is a 16-ounce bottle, and I thought, oh, that is some major savings. So I went in and started looking up what's in my cleaning pantry, and I found a 24-ounce bottle of its cleaning vinegar with citrus mint scent. I don't even use it. It's just in there because I don't know what to do with it. I hate to throw away stuff or throw it down the drain. I'll figure it out later. But this product actually has a breakdown of how to make one of these bottles. So the instructions here is 2 tablespoons of this into this size bottle, 24 ounce, and the rest with water. So I figured it out. That would make 12 of these. And honestly, I haven't bought that kind of stuff in a long time, so I went to my Target app just to see, you know, how much does this stuff cost? And I found anything between $4 and $10. And I thought, wow, somebody's buying the $10 stuff because they're thinking they're getting a better product, and probably not. Who knows? There might be same toxins that's in the regular stuff. Whereas this, you know, you're getting an all-natural product. It has 5 milliliter of the OnGuard essential oil in it. And it also has instructions on how to make soap for your dishes and for your bathrooms. So if you don't have 24-ounce bottles that you can recycle, reuse, if you use the foaming hand wash, save your bottles, because you can make. That's what this is. I put a little of this in this. I think I put a tablespoon and a half. And I think this will give you like 16 bottles. This one bottle will give you 16 bottles. If you don't have any of those, you can purchase these glass bottles. This is a 12-ouncer. You can get that at Aroma Tools, Amazon. This just has water in it because I like to spray my plants with it. But the little top here that I got was, I believe, Amazon. You could also find them on Aroma Tools. So yeah, I thought, wow, what a huge savings. So I did the math. I had to see exactly how much one of these, which is $14.50 wholesale, and I get 12 of these, makes 12 of those. What does that come to? $1.20. I'm gonna repeat that, $1.20. Oh my gosh. $14.50 makes 12 of these, which equals $1.20. That is a huge savings. So yeah, next time, oh, and totally convenient, just pop this in your cart, comes to your house. You don't have to go anywhere and spend any gas on anything. So yeah, go out, put this in your cart, use it. It's amazing. It smells great. It's natural, and you're not gonna ingest, inhale, or touch anything that's not good for you. Okay, that's it. It's my tip for Tuesday. I'll have another one next week. I think I'm gonna do these on this page. So if you follow me on my personal page, I'll probably bounce something off of that topic every Monday. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you next week, guys. Take care. Oh, hi, Carrie. Thank you for joining. You guys have a good one. Bye-bye now. I'll see you next time.